Today I am reviewing the Kodak PIXPRO FZ45 digital camera. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you are tired of your smartphone battery constantly dying when you're out making memories, or if you're looking to disconnect from notifications while capturing life's best moments, you are in the right place. Today we are taking a thorough look at a delightfully nostalgic yet modern piece of tech, the Kodak PIXPRO FZ45 digital camera. In a world where smartphones have largely taken over casual photography, there's been a massive resurgence in dedicated point-and-shoot cameras. People are realizing that there is something uniquely intentional and incredibly fun about holding a real camera. Kodak designed the friendly zoom FZ45 to be the perfect companion for travel, family gatherings, casual vlogging, and everyday shooting. It offers a wonderful blend of simplicity, portability, and classic style. Let us start by talking about the core imaging engine of this camera, which features a 16-megapixel CMOS sensor. 16 megapixels is the absolute sweet spot for everyday photography. It captures crisp, vibrant, and highly detailed images that look fantastic whether you're sharing them directly to your social media pages or printing them out for a physical photo album. Because it uses a true CMOS sensor rather than a cheap mobile image sensor, it handles light beautifully, giving your photos a distinct, rich look that feels authentic and artistic. Paired with that sensor is a highly flexible 4x optical zoom lens. Now, it is very important to emphasize that this is optical zoom, not digital zoom. Digital zoom just crops into a photo and makes it look blurry, but optical zoom physically moves the glass inside the lens to bring you closer to the action without losing a single bit of image quality. The lens starts at a 27mm wide-angle focal length, which is absolutely perfect for large family group photos, sprawling landscape horizons, or fitting a massive historical monument into the frame without having to awkwardly step back into traffic. When you want to capture motion, the FZ45 steps up seamlessly to record 1080p full HD video. Whether you're capturing short clips during a road trip, documenting a child's birthday party, or recording a simple vlog for your channel, the video comes out clean, clear, and easy to watch. Having a dedicated video button makes the transition from snapping photos to recording video instant and hassle-free, so you never miss those spontaneous, fleeting moments. To frame your shots and review your creations, the camera features a bright, clear 2.7-inch LCD screen on the back. It is large enough to comfortably navigate the camera's intuitive menu system, check your focus, or show off your photos to friends right after you snap them. One of the most practical and brilliant design choices Kodak made with the FZ45 is how it manages power. This camera runs on two standard AA alkaline batteries. While some might prefer a built-in rechargeable battery, using AA batteries is actually a massive advantage when you're traveling or on the go. You never have to worry about finding an electrical outlet, carrying specific charging cords, or waiting around for hours for your camera to charge. If you run out of juice while exploring a new city, hiking in a national park, or attending an all-day music festival, you can simply pop into any convenience store, grab a fresh pack of AA batteries, and you're instantly back to shooting. Storage is another area where this camera offers incredible modern flexibility. It fully supports standard class 10SD, SDHC, or SDXC memory cards all the way up to a massive 512 gigabytes. A card that size can hold tens of thousands of 16-megapixel photos or hours of full HD video, giving you complete freedom to shoot all week long without ever having to pause and dump files onto a computer. The design of the camera is beautifully sleek and ultra-compact. Finished in an elegant matte black, it weighs next to nothing and is small enough to slip comfortably into a shirt pocket, a small purse, or a jacket pocket. It is the definition of a pocket-friendly camera, built to go anywhere your adventures take you. The bottom line is that the Kodak PIXPRO FZ45 proves you do not need an overly complicated $1,000 camera setup to capture beautiful memories. It strips away the confusion of manual professional cameras and replaces it with pure point-and-shoot joy. For anyone looking for an affordable, highly reliable, and incredibly fun daily camera, this Kodak classic is a phenomenal choice.